हर नागरिक का गर्वित गान, न्याय, स्वतंत्रता, समता का दीप, न्याय, स्वतंत्रता, समता का दीप, विविधता में एकता का अनमोल। विश्व में सबसे सुंदर भारत का संविधान, कहीं लचीला कहीं कठोर, कहीं लचीला कहीं कठोर, रखे अधिकारों का ध्यान। विश्व में सबसे सुंदर भारत का संविधान। 2 वर्ष 11 माह 18 दिन, 2 वर्ष 11 माह 18 दिन तक चला रहा अभियान। तर्क वितर्क विचार विमर्श, तर्क वितर्क विचार विमर्श, एक एक बिंदु की हुई पहचान।
The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and became effective from January 26, 1950.
मुझे डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जी ने आप सबकी सुख शांति के लिए बनाया है, लेकिन लोग मुझे स्वीकार करने से बचते हैं, मुझे तोड़ते हैं, मेरा उपहास उड़ाते हैं। यदि मैं टूट गया, मेरी सांसें रुक गई, तुम सबका क्या होगा?
कोई संविधान चाहे कितना अच्छा हो, वो बुरा साबित हो सकता है अगर उसका अनुसरण करने वाले लोग बुरे हो। एक संविधान चाहे जितना बुरा हो, वो अच्छा साबित हो सकता है अगर उसका पालन करने वाले लोग अच्छे हो।
Priya, my campaign is way better. Everyone wants freedom. Thus, not your boring promises about justice.
But Shohit, an election isn't about free stuff. It's about representing everyone fairly. What about the student who can't eat pizza? Your promise doesn't help them.
Those aren't just words, Rohit. They're the rules of the game for our entire country. Let's see them in action. Let's imagine our constitution comes to life.
Your Honor, my client Ravi is being unfairly accused. The other team made up the rule that the ball was stolen just because they were losing.
But, Your Honor, Ravi was caught on the field with the ball. He was the only one with it.
Justice isn't about winning or losing. It's about being fair and making sure everyone's side is heard. Do you know about the latest bill passed by the Parliament of India? The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act 2025.
Yes, I read about it in today's newspaper. Why is the government banning money games? Youngsters have understood that liberty does not exist in the absence of morality. Moreover, liberty is about having the freedom to express your thoughts, beliefs, and your opinions as long as they don't harm others.
That rotation is good. It spreads the opportunity. But the bill only kicks in after the 2027 census and delimitation exercise.
Nari Shakti, our strength, our role.
Being equal, especially in terms of status, rights, and opportunities. It means that every individual or group should have the same resources and chances, regardless of their circumstances, and should receive the same treatment under the law.
I am doing all the work. You are just sitting and kidding.
No, I am doing all the work. You are just taking all the credit. Stop blaming others.
Children, stop fighting. You are a team and you all are working hard for this project. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. So, let's get back to work and cheer each other. Yes, ma'am. We are a team and we should stop fighting and get back to completing our project. Fraternity is the bridge that connects the diversity of India, allowing us to celebrate our differences while standing together as one nation. These ideas, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity, start here with each one of you. On this Constitution Day, let's pledge to not just remember our Constitution, but to live it.
To constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity.
Dear children,
What is the holy book of our Hindu brothers and sisters? Let me hear it loud. Bhagavad Gita. And of Muslims, Quran. 6. Guru Granth Sahib. And Christians? Exactly. So it is their holy book that unites the followers of any religion. Isn't it? It is these holy books that unites the followers of any religion. In the same way, our nation has a holy book. Yeah, it is our constitution. It is the constitution that unites all of us as one nation. We are Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. We are Punjabis, Kashmiris, Tamils and we are Bengalis. But then under the constitution, we are all citizens of one single nation, Bharat.